Hi guys, today I'm just doing a quick tutorial on how to set up your project for the lightweight rendering pipeline or any of the new rendering pipelines. It's quite simple. I'm in the newest version at the time of recording, so 2018 2.61F, and all you need to do is go to Window, Package Manager, All, and then scroll down till you see the pipelines. Here's the lightweight, here's the high definition, and here's just the core. So I'm going to choose the lightweight. And then you've got to wait for it to download and install, and this can take a minute. So I'll speed up the video and come back to you when it's done. Okay, now that it has been installed, you exit out, you right click, create rendering lightweight pipeline asset. Let's call it LP just for simplicity's sake. Go to edit, project settings, graphics, and then drag this into the top here. And there you are. Your project is now set up to use the lightweight rendering pipeline. Thank you for watching. Consider looking at some of my other tutorials, and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.